All right, management, we are at the Wooley Heights house. We're going to do a quick video on the heater that's downstairs for pretty much the entire home. So as you walk down the steps, just here on the wall, we have the unit that controls the heater. And so right now, it's in the off mode. You can see that it's in the off. We have heat. And so what you want to do is just flick that little switch towards your left. Right now it's in the auto mode and it's really difficult to see, but it says auto and then fan on. And so you flick it over to the right, and then on the right hand side of the unit, basically that's going to allow you to set your temperature that you want for the house. And it takes a bit for it to actually kick in. And so it might just seem like it's taken forever, but it does take about a minute for this thing to actually kind of cycle in, and you'll actually hear the unit go on. So, there it goes. So if you have any questions, you can reach out to us at DoneRight Management regarding the heating here. It's 208-634-0030. Hope you're having a great time staying at the Wooley Heights house. Cheers.